we'll guide you through how to create attribute in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Click inside the command line, type @def, and press Enter to open the Attribute Definition dialog box. In the Attribute section, enter a name in the Tag field. The tag identifies the attribute and should not contain spaces. Enter a prompt in the Prompt field. This message will appear whenever the attribute is inserted into a block. Enter a default value in the Default field if you want AutoCAD to display a predefined value during insertion. In the Text Settings section, choose the desired text style for the attribute text. Set the text height by entering a value that matches your drawing scale. Select the Justification option to determine how the attribute text will be aligned when placed. Choose a rotation angle if you want the attribute text to appear at a specific orientation. Click OK to save the attribute definition settings. Then click in the drawing area to specify the insertion point for the attribute. If you want the attribute to be part of a block, type block in the command line and press Enter. Enter a block name. Select the drawing objects together with the attribute definition and specify a base point. Click OK to create the block. Next, type Insert in the command line. Select the block and click OK. Enter the requested attribute values when prompted. Finally, verify that the block has been inserted successfully and that the attribute displays the correct information. You can edit the attribute later by double-clicking the block or using the 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏 command.